terve, hello, tere, whatever you want. Drum workshop repairing part 2. How would we repair the loose drum? You might have heard this kind of sound of drum. Yes, it is totally loose. And now we are fixing that kind of frames. We have tightened like this. And this drum is also loose. Poor sound. First, wet the drum. Totally wet. Both sides. I am going to do 2 drums today. So, I wet both. Like this. This is poor water. So, and here I have stripes, leather stripes, and I'm repairing this drum with these. But also you can use line. I think this is probably pellava, what it is in English, linen or something. But if you use these kind of lines, be sure it's strong enough that you can use. Okay, see you in a while. So, what does it look like now? Okay, this is okay, this is very good. Now it's totally wet, as usual. It's almost as wet as when we made these drums. But that's enough now. And here, let's do with the, I checked with my living dictionary what is pellava in English. And she told me that this is linen or flax. Oh, what a word. When I was young man and I get some flax, it doesn't mean this linen line. But whatever. Now we are doing the drum repairing. First, do the ties before you do the stretching. Here, stretch as much as it comes here, like this. Okay, beautiful. So, like this. You can't stretch as much as we do in a workshop, that it will be tight here. But it's enough that it starts to move over the edge. Few knots, and then I take it around, little tighten, and now this one knot hold just long enough that I am able to do the other knot, and then oh really this is going to be great. Like this, and then Okay, I wave it 3 times here, and then this is important that it would be tight, like this. Now it's hold with one knot, so as long enough that I am able to do the second knot. And now this is pretty tight already. What are you saying? My English is awful. Okay, thank you. I know it. But I am okay with that. That's why we have picture here, because one picture can tell more than 1,000 lousy words. Here. I am pretty sure that this drum is going to make a beautiful sound. Now I do the third knot, the knots here on. That's enough to me. Like that. Yes. Now, the skin is coming straight and tight here, almost sound ready. And the backward, it looks like this. Is that other camera better for this picture, image? Yes. And then we cut the rest. And one thing what we do now is we are putting a little bit glue on the knot. When you are using leather stripes, you don't need glue, but in that case, when you are using linen, put a little drop of the glue on the knot. That's secure and guarantee that this knot will not loose while you are drumming. Ah! At least I understand what I am talking about. Here you are. And then the other way. This is with linen or flax line. And now we are doing the same work with stretched reindeer skin stripes. These are the same what we use when we make these drums. First, take, stretch and pull this skin like this. Beautiful. And then I make a one knot and I pull it tight here now. First, and I know it's stretched back, no problem. Second knot. And now pull it through these knots like this. And dry with this little piece of t-shirt or whatever cotton, the knot a little bit. And badam, it holds enough time that you can do the second knot or third. And use this little piece of cotton. And I do the third, fourth, fifth, second, whatever, knot under. And that's I do that way that I can cut later. For example, 1 hour. These stripes away here, but there are no sharp edge of the skin here. If you do the knots on side here and cut here, when this stripe is going to be dry, here is sharp edge, and it might hurt your hand. Okay, I go now the opposite. And same way. And now we can sing a song. What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? Early in the morning. That's all what I remember of that song. Now I do the knots under. And I leave it there. Then these two. Remember, use these side stripes here. First, pull it like this. As you see, it's loose now. No problem. It's going to be tight like this. And usually it holds enough that you can do the third knot. Beautiful! How clever we are! As you see, it is not so difficult to repair your loose drum. But remember, after that, it is thigh drum. And that means in winter time, if your drum has become over the last winter with cold temperature and dry weather, dry humidity in the air at the room, now you have to be careful about this drum. This is tighter and it might break if you don't be careful. Did I hear? So if your drum is going to be too tight, moisturing it, wet it. This is one solution, this water bottle, or if you are staying, for example, a whole day away, put it within wet towel. And this is the last stripe. Oh, bueno. Bueno! Like that. And the last knot I do under. Yes, here it is. And now I wait few hours before I cut these stripes, because I like to wait that these knots dry a little bit, then they hold for sure these stripes at the right place. But here it was totally loose, and now almost sound. This is going to be a great drum. And this drum, okay, this is already, I have cut and glued it. And now we wait. See you soon. I love you. Okay, here I come. Hi there. Now, here are the fixed drums. Let's look at you. Beautiful. Skin is smooth. Beautiful. And now dry. Excellent and perfect sound. Fix it drum. And the next one is red one. Yes. Looks good. It's smooth. And let's try. Beautiful sound. So, if you have too loose drum, don't hesitate to take contact to me if you have done it in my workshop, or follow these instructions of this video. Drum Master, thank you. See you.